Neeraj Tatar, Assistant Professor in the Chemical Engineering Department of LJIT Ahmedabad. In this session, I will discuss with you next topic of mass transfer operation. So let's start. So chapter name is diffusion in fluids and topic name is diffusion through stagnant film and equimolar counter diffusion. What is the meaning of stagnant film? Means one of the component in the mixture having 0 molar flux. Now we will see one by one. So we will consider here binary mixture. Binary mixture means there is a 2 component mixture. So in a binary system containing A and B, molar flux in the direction of Z is given by, molar flux means this is the Na, that is given by the J flux and N flux. Molar flux of the 2 types I already discussed with you, that is J flux and N flux. N flux is with respect to position in the space and J flux with respect to velocity of the components. So we will use here with the position. So Na is equal to minus C dAB dYA by dZ plus Ya in bracket Na plus Nb. So what is the meaning of Na? Na is the molar flux of component A minus C. Minus means why minus is available here? Because there is a movement of particle from the higher concentration region to the lower concentration region, means there is a concentration of higher side is decreasing, that's why we are having here minus sign. So dAB is nothing but diffusion coefficient of component A with respect to B. dYA by dZ is nothing but concentration gradient of component A in the gaseous phase in the Z direction. After that Ya, it is the mole fraction of component A in the gaseous phase. Na, it is the molar flux of component A, and Nb is the molar flux of component B. You can see this figure explains the diffusion process. Diffusion process means there is a transfer of molecule from the higher concentration region to the lower concentration region. I have explained this topic in detail in previous lecture. So you can see here there is a concentration gradient. Whenever there is a concentration gradient, there is a diffusion occurs. But when there is a no concentration gradient, you can see here now there is a no concentration gradient, means there is a no movement of the molecules. Now we will see diffusion through stagnant gas film. Now, for this we will use previous slide equation. Equation in the previous slide we have seen like this, that is Na is equal to minus C dAB dYA by dZ plus Ya in bracket Na plus Nb. This equation is going to use basic equation for the 2 derivation. Those derivations are stagnant film diffusion and equimolar counter diffusion. So this equation we are going to use in the next slide. So diffusion through a stagnant gas film. So we know that Na is equal to minus C dAB dYA by dZ plus Ya in bracket Na plus Nb. This is nothing but molar flux, total molar flux for component A. Okay. After that, for stagnant gas film, there is one condition. I told you stagnant gas film means one of the component in the mixture is constant and it having the molar flux is 0. So stagnant gas film, in this case B component is stagnant, means molar flux for component B is 0. So I will take here Nb is equal to 0. Just put Nb is equal to 0 in previous equation. So you will get Na is equal to minus C dAB dYA by dZ plus Ya into Na. After that, Na is equal to minus C dAB 1 minus Ya dYA by dZ. This is nothing but this is the molar flux for component A. So take integration. So for integration purpose, there is a boundary condition. You can see boundary condition on the screen. These boundary conditions are nothing but Z is a distance. So at Z is equal to Z1, Ya, that is the mole fraction of the component A in the gaseous phase. At Z1, that is Ya1, and at Z2, that is Ya2. So take integration from Z1 to Z2 and Ya1 to Y2. So this part will be like this. Na integration of dZ from Z1 to Z2 is equal to C dAB integration of minus dYA 1 minus Ya from Ya1 to Y2. After integrating, you will get like this. Na is equal to C dAB Z2 minus Z1 ln of 1 minus Ya2 divided by 1 minus Ya1. This is nothing but molar flux equation for component A. Okay, but here we have to replace ln 1 minus Ya2 divided by 1 minus Ya1. So how to calculate this term? By using log mean concentration difference. So that is given by YB is equal to YB2 minus YB1 divided by ln YB2 by YB1. So just put the value for ln 1 minus Ya2 divided by 1 minus Ya1. So we know that YB2, how to find YB2 and YB1. You can see here YB is nothing but 1 minus YA. So I can find here YB2 like this, 1 minus YA2. Similarly, YB1 is equal to 1 minus YA1. So after putting those terms, you can get here YBLM is equal to 1 minus YA2 minus 1 minus YA1 divided by ln YA2 minus YA2 ln YA2 divided by YA1. So after putting all these equations, you get YBLM is equal to 1 minus YA2 minus 1 minus YA1 divided by ln YA2 divided by YA1 is equal to YA1 minus YA2 divided by ln YA2 divided by YA1. So just put this value here. In previous equation you will get like this, NA is equal to CDAB Z2 minus Z1 YA1 minus YA2 divided by YBLM. So this is a derivation for component A flux, molar flux for component A for stagnant gas film. Okay, so we will quickly revise this equation. So what we have done here, you can see here, we just took the previous equation, that is NA is equal to minus CDAB. Okay, we just take here NA is equal to minus CDAB dy A by dz plus YA NA plus NB. After that we know that for stagnant gas film NB is equal to 0. Just put NB is equal to 0 in previous equation, you will get equation like this, that is NA is equal to minus CDAB dy A by dz plus YA NA. After that you will get equation like this, NA is equal to minus CDAB 1 upon 1 minus YA dy A by dz. After we have took the integration from the boundary condition like this, that Z is equal to Z1, Z is equal to Z2. At Z1 concentration is YA1 and at Z2 concentration of the component A in the gaseous phase, that is YA2. So after taking integration we will get result like this, NA is equal to CDAB Z2 minus Z1 ln of 1 minus YA2 divided by 1 minus YA1. Now what we have to do here, we have to replace the term ln 1 minus YA2 divided by 1 minus YA1 in terms of YBLM. YBLM is nothing but log mean concentration difference, that is YBLM is equal to YB2 minus YB1 divided by ln YB2 by YB1. So by using this term we will modify the above equation, that will be like this, YB is equal to 1 minus YA, means I can write here YB2 is equal to 1 minus YA2 and YB1 is equal to 1 minus YA1. So after that just put here all these terms, you will get like this. Okay, YBLM is nothing but 1 minus YA2 minus 1 minus YA1 divided by ln YA2 divided by YA1 is equal to YA1 minus YA2 ln of YA2 by YA1. So just put this value in previous equation, you will get final result like this, NA is equal to CDAB in bracket YA1 minus YA2 Z2 minus Z1 into YBLM. So this is the derivation for molar flux. Okay, this derivation can be asked in your exam for 7 marks. Okay, based on this topic numerical can be asked for 7 marks. Okay, so for ideal gas, now I am converting previous equation for the ideal gas. So I am taking for ideal gas, concentration is equal to N upon V, that is nothing but P upon RT. We know that PV is equal to nRT. This is the ideal gas equation. So by using this, I am just converting concentration term, that is the C is equal to N by V is equal to P by RT. So for mixture of ideal gases, I can write here YA is equal to PA upon P by using Raoult's law. YA is equal to P upon P. So by using these two equation, I can modify the previous equation like this, that NA, that is nothing but molar flux of component A, is equal to DAB into PT divided by RT into Z2 minus Z1 into PA1 minus PA2 divided by PBLM. So this is the final equation for the molar flux of component A in the stagnant gas film. I can write like this equation for molar flux of component A through stagnant component B. This equation can be asked for 7 marks in your exam. Now we will see next topic, that is equimolar counter diffusion. So here condition is different. Okay, equation remains same, starting basic equation remains same, what we have used in previous derivation, that will be remain same, but condition is a different. Condition is Na is equal to minus Nb. This is a equimolar counter diffusion condition, but stagnant gas film condition is one of the component is a stagnant in nature, means molar flux for that component is 0, that is Nb is equal to 0, but equimolar counter diffusion condition is Na is equal to minus Nb. So condition is like this, Na is equal to minus Nb. Just put this equation, Okay, we know that for binary system Na is equal to minus C dAB dya by dz plus Ya Na plus Nb. Okay, just put Na is equal to minus Nb. This is a condition for equimolar counter diffusion. So after putting this value, I will get result like this. Na is equal to C dAB dya by dz plus, you can see here Ya, I am putting here Nb is equal to minus Na, means Na get cancelled. After that you will get Na is equal to minus dAb dCa by dz. Okay, so this is the term we are getting in equimolar counter diffusion, but we have to convert this, we have to take integration now. Okay, so for that you can see here boundary conditions now. Take integration. For that integration, boundary conditions are like this. At Z is equal to Z1, Ca is equal to Ca1, concentration is equal to Ca1, and at Z, that is nothing but distance, at Z is equal to Z2, concentration is Ca is equal to Ca2. So just take integration. After that you will get like this. Na integration of dz, Z1 to Z2 is equal to minus dAb integration of dCa, Ca1 to Ca2. I am repeating why we are taking here minus sign, because concentration is decreasing from higher concentration to the lower concentration. That's why we have taken here minus sign for the dAb. Now after taking integration, you will get result like this. You can see here Na is equal to dAb Z2 minus Z1 Ca1 minus Ca2. This is the term, this is the molar flux of component A for the equimolar counter diffusion case. What we have done here, we have just take the condition, that is Na is equal to minus Nb, but in the stagnant film we have taken the condition like this, Nb is equal to 0, because component B is a stagnant in nature, that is a constant in nature. There is no diffusion of component B. That's why we took Nb is equal to 0. But in equimolar counter diffusion, both fluxes are same, but counter means in opposite direction. That's why Na is equal to minus Nb. So after putting the conditions here, after taking integration, we are getting result like this. Na is equal to dAb divided by Z2 minus Z1 Ca1 minus Ca2. Now we will convert this for the ideal gas. You can see here for ideal gas, Ca is equal to Na upon V, Pa is equal to Pa by RT, means ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. For component A, I can write Ca is equal to Na upon V is equal to P upon RT. So equation is like this. You can see here after putting this term, we will get equation like this. Na is equal to dAb into Pt divided by RTZ into Pa1 minus Pa2 bar. This is nothing but partial pressure of component 1 and partial pressure of component A, but at the different site, means Pa1 is nothing but partial pressure of component A at one location, and Pa2 is nothing but partial pressure of component A at the other side. So this is the equation we have derived for the molar flux of component A for the equimolar counter diffusion. This nothing but molar flux of the component A for the equimolar counter diffusion case. This equation can be asked in your exam as well for 7 marks, and numericals can be asked based on this topic and in previous topic, that is a stagnant film diffusion, for 7 marks. Means for 14 marks question can be asked like this. Derive this equation, that is Na is equal to dAb into Pt divided by RTZ in bracket Pa1 minus Pa2, and solve this numerical for 14 marks. Okay, so you have to remember both these equations, and you have to, most importantly, you have to remember the conditions for equimolar counter diffusion. Condition is Na is equal to minus Nb, and for stagnant film Nb is equal to 0. So this is a figure of diffusion. You can see here particles are transferring from the higher concentration region to the lower concentration region. Okay, so we have seen diffusion in detail now. In the next lecture, we will continue with the next topic of the mass transfer operation. Thank you very much.